Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to change wallpaper on Mac. So first of all, go to your desktop screen and right-click anywhere on the empty area. From this menu, click on Change Wallpaper. A new wallpaper panel will appear on your screen and you can access all wallpaper settings from here. Now let's also see the second method. From the bottom dock, open System Settings. Once the Settings panel opens up on the screen, from the left vertical menu, find Wallpaper. Now on the right side, you will see different wallpaper categories provided by Apple. You can select any wallpaper directly from here, or if you want to explore more wallpapers, click on Show All to open the full wallpaper collection. Now browse through the available wallpapers and click on the one that you like. As soon as you click on it, the wallpaper will be applied to your MacBook screen automatically. You can also use your own photos by selecting images from your device. Here, you can browse through all available folders and albums stored on your MacBook. And that's it. This is how you can change wallpaper on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.